A little bit of fat in these gutters. The canopy inside itself's quite good. This job gets done every 4 months. As I said, the outside is all fatty, and probably 10 mil of fat on the inside of the gutters, but that's about it. You can see that it's not bad at all. The other one over here is a 4-filter canopy, and it's actually just got a little bit of surface oil on the inside of it, but again the gutters on this one's about the same, about 10 mil of oil. It shouldn't take us too long to have both these done.